Right now, there's a niche on YouTube that almost nobody's talking about, and it's printing views like crazy. I'm gonna show you two channels. First one, Hamid Sahari, 3.97 million subscribers. Total views, 3.8 billion. Not a typo, billion. And it's all simple cartoon-style football videos. Funny, short, punchy. Look at the upload from yesterday, 1.1 million views. The one from 2 days ago, 1.7 million. These aren't old viral hits. This is happening right now, every single day. And if you go back to their best videos, 74 million views, 49 million, 42 million, 35 million on cartoons of football players. Second channel, Amr Persia, same style, same world. Different angle, still racking up hundreds of thousands, sometimes over 1 million views per short. Here's why this is happening right now. The FIFA World Cup is live. YouTube is pushing football content harder than almost anything else on the platform. And this specific style, cartoon, faceless, football, has almost no competition. Most creators chasing the World Cup wave are doing talking head reaction videos. Almost nobody is doing this. Now, I want to be upfront with you. There's a version of this where people just rip someone else's video, re-edit it slightly and re-upload it. I'm not going to show you that. That's not a real channel, it's not monetized properly, and it dies the second YouTube notices. What I'm going to show you is how to study what's actually working in this niche and build your own original version of it. Same style, same energy, completely your own content, using AI for free from idea to finished video. Okay, so here's where it gets simple. To actually make one of these videos, you need 3 prompts. That's it, 3. And I'm not going to make you write these yourself. I already built them for you. The link is in the description below. Click it, it takes you straight to a Google Doc. Completely free, no sign up, no paywall. Inside, you'll find all 3 prompts laid out and ready to copy. These 3 prompts are the entire engine of this video style. Alright, step 1, topic ideas. Open up that Google Doc, copy prompt number 1, and head over to your AI chat of choice. Could be ChatGPT, could be Claude, doesn't matter. Any solid LLM works here. Paste the prompt in, hit generate, and just like that, 10 viral topic ideas drop right in front of you. Don't love what you see? Hit regenerate, get 10 more. No pressure, no guessing. Let's say topic number 6 catches your eye. Something like Ronaldo's golden boots. Funny, weird, instantly clickable. That's the one. Copy that full topic text. Now go back to the Google Doc and grab prompt number 2. Head back into your AI chat, and this time you're stacking 2 things in one prompt box. Paste prompt 2 first, then drop your chosen topic right underneath it, at the bottom. Hit generate, so here's what happens the second you hit generate. Claude AI doesn't just throw random visuals at you, it actually locks the characters first, meaning it decides exactly who's in your video and keeps them consistent, so your Ronaldo looks like your Ronaldo in every single scene, not a different guy every cut. And based on that locked character, it builds you a full image prompt. Ready to go, matched perfectly to your topic. Look at mine, that's exactly what got handed back to me, character locked, prompt ready. Now that the hard thinking is done, topic, characters, prompt. The next step is turning all of this into actual images, using a completely free AI tool. That's coming up right now. Now there's plenty of free AI tools out there for image generation, but I'm using Flow for this whole tutorial. You're welcome to use it too, and if you'd rather try something else, drop a comment, I'll throw you links to other options. Inside Flow, click New Project. You'll land on this interface, go to the Settings button on the right side. Pick Image as your output type. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're making shorts, and choose how many images you want generated per prompt. I went with 2, just so I've got options to pick from. Then choose your model. I started on the base Nano Banana model. Now go back to Claude, copy that first image generation prompt it gave you, paste it into Flow, and hit generate. A couple seconds later, boom, the first image is ready. Out of the 2 it gave me, I picked the one that actually looks right, and drag it into the reference box. For your next image, go back to Claude, grab prompt number 2, come back to Flow, and here's the key part. Don't touch that reference image. Leave it sitting in the box exactly where it is. Paste prompt 2 underneath it, hit generate. Now sometimes here's where it gets messy. One image comes out fine, the other, policy violation, or it just looks wrong. Different face, different outfit, doesn't match. Don't panic, this happens constantly. Here's the fix. Take that same reference image, upload it again fresh, drop your prompt back in, but this time, go into settings and switch your model up. I moved from Nano Banana to Nano Banana Pro. Hit regenerate, and that's it. Character matches perfectly. Consistent, ready to actually use in the video. That one model swap is the difference between a broken image and a perfect one. Keep that in your back pocket, you'll need it more than once. So now your first 2 images are locked and ready. Time to keep building. Go back to Claude, grab prompt number 3, head back into Flow, paste it in, but this time, you're uploading 2 reference images, not one. The first image you made and the second one you made, both go in together. This is what keeps your character looking exactly the same across every single shot. Same face, same outfit, same vibe, scene after scene. Hit generate. If what comes out doesn't look right, same fix as before. Switch your model and regenerate. I did exactly that here. Deleted the broken version so I didn't get confused later, and got a clean one right after. And here's the pattern for the rest of your images. Repeat this exact loop. Go back to Claude, copy the next prompt, come back to Flow, upload your reference images. 1 if the prompt calls for 1, 2 if it calls for 2. Paste the prompt, generate. Same steps every time, until every single image for your video is done. It sounds repetitive because it is, but that repetition is exactly what keeps your character consistent from the first frame to the last. Alright, images done, now we bring them to life. Back into Flow, settings button again, but this time choose video instead of image. Keep your aspect ratio at 9:16. Pick how many videos you want generated per image. I went with 1. Then choose your video model. I'm using an OmniFlash model here. Set your video resolution and duration, or you can leave it flexible and let the next step decide that for you. Pick your favorite image, the one that turned out best, and drag it into the prompt 2 box. Now go back to that Google Doc, copy prompt number 3 in full, and paste it into Claude. At the very bottom of that prompt, you're going to paste in your previous conversation, hit generate. Here's what Claude does for you. Builds a full motion prompt for each one and tells you exactly how long that clip should be. 4 seconds, 6 seconds, whatever fits the shot. Take that first video prompt, head to Flow. Your image is already sitting in the prompt box. Paste the prompt in, set the duration to whatever Claude told you. Mine was 4 seconds. Hit generate, and your first clip is ready. Now just repeat it. Next image goes in the prompt box. Back to Claude for the next prompt and duration. Back to Flow, set the duration to match. Paste the prompt, generate. Same loop, clip by clip until every image in your video has its motion. Once every clip is generated, download all your videos straight from Flow. And quick tip, if you burn through your daily credits, just switch to a different Gmail account. You get a fresh batch, completely free. Once everything's downloaded, open up your editor. I'm using CapCut, it's free, and it's all you need. Click Import, pull all your clips onto the timeline, and arrange them in order. Now this is where you add your touch. Trim the timing, add transitions, throw in some effects, sound, whatever fits the energy of your topic. Just make sure everything flows together clip to clip. Once it feels right, hit export, and your video saves straight to your device. And that's it, from a single topic idea to a fully finished, ready to upload short. Let's take a look at how this one actually turned out.